Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the 120 LED red light therapy pad to treat general low back pain. Now, I made a previous video on unboxing this and explained how it works, but just as a brief recap, this is a flexible pad. It's got an array of 120 of these LEDs. It's actually technically 360 LEDs. Each one of these little squares that you see is a tiny circuit board that has 3 LEDs or light emitting diodes. 2 of them emit 850 nanometer infrared light. Now, infrared is radiant heat, and it's the same kind of heat that you see generated by these infrared heat lamps or infrared saunas. And the third emitter emits 660 nanometer wavelength light, which appears red to the human eye. Therapeutic red light has the effect of photobiomodulation, so it helps reduce pain, it helps reduce inflammation, and it actually helps with healing of tissues. Brief recap, it plugs into an AC wall outlet. Here's the power button. You press it once, and it turns on all 3 of the emitters in each one of these tiny circuit boards. You press it a second time, and it turns off the near infrared, so you don't get as much heat. And I'll tell you, it generates pretty significant heat. But you press it that second time, and you just get the 660 nanometer therapeutic red. And you press it a third time, and you turn off the 660 nanometer red, and now you have the infrared being emitted. Now, it looks like it's off, but it's not. Remember, infrared is invisible to the human eye. You can even see that the power button is still on. I'll press it again, and now everything is turned off. So here's how you use it for treating non-specific low back pain. First, choose a comfortable place in your home to lie down. It's good to have a neck bolster since you want to be comfortable as possible, and it's good to support your neck while you're lying supine. I recommend you do it on a firm surface like your carpet or your floor with some padding, and not so much on a couch or bed unless you have a mattress that is pretty firm. Press the power button, place it under your back. You could place it horizontally or vertically. If you place it vertically, you'll get more of the muscles along your spine. And gently lie down. Place the bolster under your neck. Make sure you have skin contact, so lift your shirt up a bit and relax. Now, one thing that I discovered is that if you shift around, you could press the button inadvertently and it'll change the mode to infrared only and even pulse mode, so just be aware of that. After you're done, I recommend you do cat-camel exercises. These are great exercises, especially if you have acute or severe lower back pain, because it's one of the few low back exercises that you can do in a non-weight bearing position without any special equipment. You can control the movement of your spine with your abdominal muscles and your erector spinae muscles. So get on all fours, arch your back as much as you can, and your low back at the same time. Remember to breathe. And then curl your back like this, flexion, and then again slowly drop your lower back and arch your neck, and you hold it for about 5 seconds, then come back again like this in flexion, kind of round your back between your shoulder blades, and again. So do that a couple of times, and then finish off with the modified cobra, so you're lying face down. For some people, this is enough because it does put your lower back in extension somewhat. But the next level is to go like this. This is actually called the Sphinx position, and it puts more of an extension into your low back. And hold that for a couple of seconds. You come down, rest for a minute, and do it again. The idea is that in our society, we sit a lot, and when that happens, your back muscles fatigue, causing your lower back to round. If you have a job that involves a lot of sitting, it's very good to do these exercises for general maintenance to avoid getting low back pain. The red light therapy pad is a great addition to your home therapy kit. And one of the reasons I love this is because it's light, powerful. Don't be fooled by its simple looking appearance. There's some pretty complex electrical engineering in this pad. And red light therapy does have a lot of research to back it for the treatment of pain. And some studies even show that red light therapy can actually increase the rate of healing. So check it out if you're interested in getting one. Just click this button in the upper right corner of your screen. It'll take you to my website and you can find out more about it. Thanks for watching.